If you've been waiting for the right moment to get a VPN, this is it. In this video, I'll show you how to activate the best NordVPN deal of the year. No guesswork, no sketchy coupon sites, and no wasted time. This promo gives you up to 70% off NordVPN's top plans, and it's only available for a limited time. You won't find this deal by browsing the homepage or searching the web. You have to use the exclusive link in the video description below. Or if you're watching this on a screen, just scan the QR code right here and you'll be taken straight to the discounted offer page. So why is this deal such a big deal? First, NordVPN is one of the most powerful and well-reviewed VPNs in the world. It's fast, secure, beginner-friendly, and trusted by millions. You get access to over 6,000 servers in 110-plus countries with blazing speeds for streaming, gaming, and torrenting, and full protection for all your devices. Now let's break down the current plans so you can pick what works for you. The basic plan is all about fast private browsing. It gives you full VPN access, end-to-end encryption, and built-in threat protection to block malware and trackers. If you want core security without paying extra for features you may not use, this one's a solid pick. The Plus plan gives you more muscle. You get Threat Protection Pro, which protects your device even when the VPN isn't connected. It also includes NordPass, a password manager with a breach scanner that alerts you if your credentials show up online. And the Complete plan? That's the full bundle. All the VPN tools, plus 1 terabyte of encrypted cloud storage with NordLocker, ideal for backing up your files securely and accessing them from anywhere. Every plan works across 10 devices, includes 24/7 customer support, and comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's absolutely zero risk in trying it. Setup takes under 5 minutes. Choose your plan, pay with your preferred method, credit card, PayPal, or even crypto, and you're good to go. And if you're new to VPNs or just want help getting started, I've included a step-by-step NordVPN tutorial in the description. It walks you through installation, settings, and tips to get the most out of your subscription. Whether you're protecting personal data, unblocking global content, or just tired of your ISP tracking every move, NordVPN gives you privacy and freedom in one package. So here's what to do next. Click the first link in the description or scan the QR code on screen, and you'll be redirected to the lowest live pricing. But don't wait too long. This deal won't stick around, and once it's gone, you're back to full price. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the best VPN deal of the year with NordVPN.